My entire life, I grew up speaking 3 languages, and I always thought 3 languages is
Impressive!
impressive because other people couldn't speak more than 1 language. But not here in the country of Papua New Guinea. This is a remote developing country where people can speak an average of 3 to 5 languages each. How many languages do you speak?
3!
I speak 5 languages.
This country has more than 800 languages, making it the most linguistically diverse country in the world. It's where the majority of people live in tribes on top of mountains far away from everyone. That's how so many languages develop. Studies say if you speak more than 1 language, your brain gets healthier and you're less likely to get brain disease. In that case, imagine what goes on in the brains of these guys who live in a country with more than 800 languages.